In Better Food today, baby shower treats that you can make at home.
Sade Owoye, owner of Sweet Equations, always brings us really creative ideas, and she does not disappoint today, that is for sure. What a display you've got here.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much.
Every time you come, though, I look at it and go, that's so cute. Why didn't I think of that? But that's the thing. I mean, look at this. These are baby bottles made out of kisses and marshmallows.
Yes, that is correct. So basically items you can get right from your grocery store.
Seriously, though, it's amazing, though. I've never seen a marshmallow that big. They sell them that big?
Yes, yeah, they do.
They do sell marshmallows that big?
It's better not to get these for s'mores because they're too gooey. But yes, they do sell them this big.
Who knew? And you look, you have a little, it's just adorable.
It's so cool. All right, so how do we get started?
Yeah, so starting along here, and I like to think of these desserts as multi-purpose. They could be used as giveaways, a centerpiece as in the baby bottle bouquet, or even just treats for your baby shower.
Absolutely.
So this is baby jars, and this is a great way to, really utilize your cake. So you're using an empty baby jar you get from the grocery store, and then you're filling it with layers of cake, tinted frosting. So I tinted the frosting light blue or pink, and then I just threw some sprinkles in between the layers. Kind of dressed up the jar a little bit. I put some ribbon, some bows, and then put a nice little spoon on the top, and you're good to go.
And this is edible.
This is completely edible. Yes.
I love how they look like little baby jars. But can you just buy the baby jars plain like that, or do you have to kind of just clean out the ones you have?
Yes, yeah, you could buy them plain. You could find them somewhere like Amazon. You could get them
just plain, because some people make their own baby food.
Look at that, how awesome is that?
Oh my gosh. And those are little wooden spoons that you just wrote on?
Those actually came that way, so you could get that right at Party City.
Oh, they say enjoy on them and everything?
Oh, Sade.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so awesome.
So cute. All right, so what about this idea? What are these? Oh, these are rattles.
Yeah, so these are baby rattles. Again, everyday items. So this is an Oreo cookie, the regular size, as well as a mini Oreo cookie. So you're just gonna use basically a lollipop stick, dip it in some melting chocolate, and I'll have you do that, Kara.
Do you care what color?
Any color is fine.
Just dip it in there. This is just
both sides.
Both sides. Okay, this is what's going to be the glue for the Oreo.
To hold the Oreos together.
And you just bought melting chocolates.
Yes. So there you go. You're going to stick it in just like this. And
now,
then
if you do a lot of this, I noticed I've bought the melting chocolates and done the whole microwave thing.
Yes.
But you like this better. This keeps it, especially if you're going to do a lot, it'll keep it consistently warm, so it won't harden.
Temperature. And that's really important when you're melting down chocolate. You just want to get it at an even temperature, so you can dip it appropriately.
And you buy the chips like this, little chocolate discs.
So that's how the chips look. What I did is I actually used some white and drizzled it on the top, just so it really looks like a rattle. And then I also used just some small candies, just to dress it up a little bit. And then I think most importantly is decorating it, packaging it so you can give it away. So I just used pretty much like a treat bag and then tied some ribbon on it.
So
and
adorable.
You're good to go.
That's so adorable. All right, so you dip that. I want to get to the baby bottles.
Yeah, so this takes a little more skill and I want to say a little more time because you are actually molding chocolate to make the top of the baby bottle. So you're going to need to get a mold like this. This is something you can find on Amazon, or you can find it in Michael's. You have your melted down white chocolate. You're gonna grab a little spoonful so you can pick any color you want, Kara,
So you already put a blue one in. I'm gonna put a pink one in. And these candy molds, I have to say, I've used these before for one of my daughters. They are really easy. Like you can't mess it up. You need to have time to let it dry. You could use a Reese's peanut butter cup, but then it wouldn't be pink or blue, right?
Correct, yes. So that's another alternative, and I think a great alternative.
And then that's what happens.
I'm surprised they don't make them yet for baby showers like Reese's
peanut butter. Right, that's a good idea. We need to get on that. So you also, what I like to use is a cookies and cream kiss, Hershey Kiss, and then you're literally at this point stacking.
So you're gonna need a little glue, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna, you put a little dot on the end of the kiss, which already comes in that white color. And then
you're gonna put a little more on the bottom.
Okay, and that's gonna make it stick to the marshmallow. And this takes, you gotta be patient, but it doesn't take forever to dry, right? More like minutes, not hours.
Exactly, especially when you're using a melting chocolate. There you go.
Okay, and just stick it there.
Isn't that clever?
And then Just let that sit because you want it to really adhere, right?
Yes, and then you're going to, as you said, let it sit. You're going to actually use a piping bag, and this is what I use to draw the lines on the baby bottle.
Okay.
So you're going to just cut the tip, put a little of the melting chocolate, and you have to work pretty quick, you know.
Otherwise it'll harden.
Yes, right inside the bag. And then I just want to show you quickly how you assemble it. So you're going to need a base. You could use a vase, a tin. You're going to get styrofoam. You're going to stick that, actually flip it around just like that and crush that right in there.
Okay.
Just like that. And then you're just going to start assembling.
And that's so
fantastic.
cute.
And then you're left with a beautiful basket like that.
And then there's your baby bottle bouquet of candy that's totally edible.
Totally edible.
Adorable. Thank you so much,
Oh,
Sade.
you're very welcome.
Sade, great ideas. Love it. Sweet Equations is located at 827 Farmington Avenue in Farmington. The website, sweetequations.com. You can also search Sweet Equations on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.